Hello there. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a desktop shortcut for Google Chrome Incognito. If ever you wanted to browse online using Incognito without having to open up any web browser and then having to go click and let me show you what I'm talking about. Instead of having to open that up and go here and then do a new Incognito, we can make it directly launch from our desktop. So let's get started. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a copy of this. I'm going to paste it here. We're going to rename this guy. We're going to say Google Chrome Incognito. Yeah, it messes up a little bit, but you could just rearrange that stuff. I think we could just, to fix this kind of bug, just right click on the desktop and hit refresh. There we go. So that's our good one. This is going to be our Incognito. And we'll even rename this to, so we can see the full name, Chrome Incognito. Now we're going to right click on this and go to properties. First, we're going to change our icon. We're going to choose the Incognito guy. Click OK, apply. That'll fix that. Second, you're going to go here and target. You're going to click in here. You're going to go all the way to the end. You're going to hit space, dash, Incognito, and hit apply. And that should be it. And then you just hit OK. And then you're going to have Google Chrome and then Google Chrome Incognito. So whenever you launch it, it will be Incognito. So you don't have to worry about opening a new tab or anything like that whenever you need to do any private searches. You don't want it to remember your history or anything like that. And yeah, so that's all for today. This was a quick tip. And yeah, if you liked the video, don't forget to leave a like. And if you want more content like this, don't forget to subscribe. We upload twice a week. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you next time. Bye.